My cat's snoring is like the soundtrack to a horror movie. Guys, it's like he's chainsawing through my dreams and I'm just sitting here thinking, is this the end? I was playing Overwatch last night and Mercy's voice kept echoing in my head. But then I woke up to my cat's chainsaw snore and it was like D.Va's tank was driving over me. Cats are supposed to be all cute and cuddly. But mine's just a furry little chainsaw assassin trying to cut down the world one snooze fest at a time. Sleepy time is not gentle for me. Imagine if Taylor Swift wrote a song about cat snoring, it'd be like The Chainsaw Whisper, where she serenades your sleep-deprived soul with soothing melodies and chain-based metaphors.